$1,500 to repaint. We could do it cheaper and faster. Okay. That's because I was in the middle. My hip just popped. We say faster, but this guy's taking forever.
I'm a late bloomer.
Go a little further. Oh yeah. On this pass, we're just gonna move a lot of metal. So all we're doing here is we're releasing pressure. There's like little crowns. They're just very minute, but they're holding a lot of tension and pressure. We don't want the paint to crack. We want the metal to flow. So let's get this freaking thing out of here. Proud dad moment.